이렇게 열기가 후끈한데 벌써 마지막이 되다니 아쉽지요? 자, 마지막에는 또 어떤 순서가 기다리고 있을지 큰 박수로 환영해주세요.
Hello, my name is Lydia. Today, let me introduce my favorite bread, baguette. Baguette means steak in French. I will tell you how to make a baguette. First, we need 4 things: flour, water, salt, and yeast. That's all. Put flour in a big bowl. Add water, salt, and yeast. Mix it well with a mixer. The dough will grow big. The dough will be sticky. That's okay. Then shape the dough into a long stick. Let it rest again for 1 hour. Put it in. Next, make little cuts on top with a knife. Put it in a hot oven for 20 minutes. The crust becomes golden and crispy. Now the baguette is ready. It smells so good and tastes amazing. I hope you try making a baguette one day. Thank you for listening. Bye.